Hey guys, today we would be installing the Triple Arcade Photobooth software, so let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the website triplearcade.in. After that, go to Photobooth software right over here. And just click on the download free 7 days trial button. Here you have to put in your details. I'll just quickly put in mine. Put in your city and click on continue with Google. Alright, so it is setting up our trial, and yeah. So we have our license key right over here, and we also have the download photobooth.zip button. So let's quickly click it and our download should get started. And yes, you can see it. So here are some instructions which we need to read before using the app. So first one is download photobooth.zip, which we have already done. And next one is extract it and open the folder and click the launcher and enter your license key, which would be this one, and check your screen display resolution, which should be 1920 cross 1080p. And then we have to click on classic photo booth, which I'll show forward in the video. And most importantly, you have to press F11 to make sure it is in full screen, and your PC should have a webcam. So I think it has been installed now, and yeah, so just open this folder, click the photo booth folder name and copy this to your desktop and click paste. So it will be successfully extracted just in a bit. So yeah, here we have our folder and it is successfully extracted. Let's click on it and click on the launcher button right over here. And you'll see some command prompt windows. Just wait for a bit and you'll see a screen like this. And here you have to paste in your license key, which you would get right over here. And I'll just quickly paste it. Click on activate license, wait for a bit. And yeah, as you can see that the license is activated and we are welcomed right over here. And let's click on OK button. And you can see that the classic photo booth is right over here and we can click the start button now. So I'll click the start button. So yeah, here is the screen in which credits are shown and we have 50 credits in total. Here is our license key and here is the purchase credits option. So you can just click on it and see the pricing options also. So yeah, our app has also launched in another window of Google Chrome right over here on localhost, and let's click on F11 to get it into full screen. Let's click on start photo session button right over here. And here we have to select a layout. I'll just select 2 cut for this one. Let's click on continue. And our camera should be working now. Let's click on start taking photos.
Say cheese.
There's also an audio just before the photo gets clicked. So that is a cool feature. So another one.
Say cheese.
So both of our photos have now been taken. Let's click on the continue button now. Here you have to select a filter. There are 6 options available. So I'll just quickly show them to you. I like this vibrant one, so I'll select this and continue. And here are many frames available. I'll just click this one for now. Let's click on continue. And here are sticker options. So you can choose a sticker, place it anywhere and resize it. You can choose another one and do the same. Let's click on continue. And yeah, here you will get your photo and also the GIF animation of how the photo was taken. So that is a pretty cool feature. And now here is the QR code. As you can see that I'll get my phone, and you have to open Google Lens on it and just click on this QR code. So you'll be redirected to the Triple Arcade website, and from there you can download your GIF file and the photos and get a soft copy of them. How cool is that? And from here you can print those photos if you are on a physical machine. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next video.